Hey folks, welcome. We've got the Sql Concat function. And here's how concat works. If you want to concatenate text in SQL Server, you don't have to use a function. You could just do this. You could just take text, the plus sign, and text, and voila. Ideally, that should have a space in between it. I just didn't do that. But the thing is, this could either be text, or it could be a field from a table, like from a query. You know, like say you're selecting the first name from a table and you're selecting the last name and then there's magically a space in the middle. But anyway, that's how you do that. If you want to, conversely, you could use the concat function and then pass these two phrases in as parameters, and it does exactly the same thing. Hello world, hello world. It's identical. So the question comes up, why use that at all? Why go through the motions of typing that out? It took me longer to say that than it would actually take to type it. The reason why is readability. If you're working on a big project and someone else has to look at your code, maybe you're making a view or a stored procedure that's gigantic, it might just make life easier if you use that because it's obvious to more people later on down the road, especially if you're not around, if you're out water skiing or riding a jet ski. Anyway, or mountain climbing, forgot about that. But the thing is, does this work with more than two parameters? Yes, it does. Here I have 5 of them. I, space, love, space, horses. But then I also have concat. I have all, see the 4 commas? I have 5 things. I have I, space, love, space, horses. I also love space. Da-da-da-da. I love horses. I love horses. Not sure what the limit or the max is on concat. Maybe it doesn't have one. Anyway, so that's how you do that. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you love it, please hit the... Oh, wait, there is no love button. Dagnabbit. Please refer to the like button. And also, if you think I'm hilariously funny looking, go ahead and subscribe. And also, I will see you in the next video. All right, thanks. Ta-ta.